Like, no one's gonna go live in their car and pay off a mortgage for a whole year.
You're not the only one, Erlos. You're not the only one.
No, I'm just saying I don't think anyone's gonna go do that. Like, no one's gonna go pay $3,000 every month and live in a car and be humiliated like that.
They will. They will. They will. You know why? Because they'll do other shit. But nobody wants to be doing those things. But that's the only thing they could. If you give them an alternative and say to them, look, you could be in the streets, you could be in the corner, fucking up your neighborhood, fucking up your community. You could do that, and you're gonna make some money, and you're probably gonna end up somewhere else, right? Or you could take that same energy, and it's gonna hurt, but it's not gonna hurt as much as sitting in a cell, right? You give them the motivation, you show them the way, my brother, and they'll do it. I know this. Look at the dude that I spoke to yesterday. All I did was tell him, yo, sit in front of your son. You know how hard that is?